Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Cyber Path with Alex. In this video, I will walk you through a real crypto monitoring system I built using no-code tools. So this system tracks cryptocurrency prices and it applies intelligent filtering logic, sends alerts and also visualizes the data on a live dashboard using Lovable. So now let's look at the problem statement. The crypto market, as we all know, moves very fast and it's easy to miss important price changes. So instead of constantly checking charts, I built an automated system that monitors the market and alerts me only when a significant movement occurs in the market. So now let's look at the system overview. I use Make. It's one of the automation tools out there. So let's see the system overview here. Okay, yeah, as you can see from here. So this is how the system works. It starts with a webhook trigger that initiates the workflow. So this is the webhook here. Then the system fetches live crypto data from CoinGecko API. Yes, so this is the HTTP. You can see the link here fetching from our CoinGecko API. Okay. Next, I use an iterator that processes each coin individually. So this is the iterator here. I get the full data from the API here. So this is an array that contains all the data. So you can see the coin name Solana, the price, the market cap, last time it was updated, the total supply. You get all the information here. So that's what the iterator is doing. So after that, I use a filter which is applied to detect significant price movement. So in this case, the price movement greater than 5% or less than -5%. So here is the price alert filter that I use. Okay, so the first condition is when price changes percentage within a 24-hour is greater than 5, as you can see from here, and also when it's less than 5. So this basically is going to give me an alert when a significant movement happens in the market. Okay. So once a condition is met, an alert is sent via email and Telegram. So I use a router here. So once a condition is met here, a mail will be sent. I will get an alert. Also, I will also get a Telegram alert. So this is the mail. This is the mail. So with Make, always you have to create a connection. So the connection is here. I'm connected to my Outlook here. And then where the alert should be sent to, that's the email here. The subject of the mail, the plain text. So crypto alert, the coin name, the price, the percentage change, the market cap is also here, and then the time, that's the timestamp. Yes, so that's for the mail. and also a Telegram bot alert here. I established the connection, and my bot ID is here, the chat ID, and then this is the text, crypto alerts, the coin name, the price, or the percentage change, and then I also added if the percentage change is greater than 0, that's bearish. That's bullish, and if it's less than 0, that's bearish. Means the coin is falling, the price is falling. Okay. So and then the market cap, and then the last time it was updated. Okay, that's the timestamp. Yes, so that's for the Telegram bot alert. So at the same time, all data is logged into Google Sheets, which also acts as a storage layer. So this is also here. I have a Google Sheet here at the row. This is a trigger that also inserts the record into a Google Sheet. So I create the connection here, selected the path. So the spreadsheet name is the crypto alert log, or mostly is the sheet 1. And then this is the data that I'm inserting into the Google Sheet. So the timestamp, the coin name, the price, the current price, the percentage change, the market cap, and then the signal. If the percentage change is greater than 0, that's bullish, and if it's less than 0, that's bearish. Okay, so this is the data I insert into the Google Sheet. Okay, and finally, I built a front-end dashboard using Lovable that reads data from the Google Sheet and visualize the data in real time. So that's the Lovable. Yes, so this is the Lovable that Crypto Watch. It fetches data straight from the Google Sheet. Once an alert is inserted into the Google Sheet, the dashboard automatically picks it, and then it will show here. The total market cap is here, the average 24-hour change, the gainers, and then the losers are also shown here. And you can also see the market overview here. So far, I've gotten 5 alerts in the Google Sheets. Those are showing here 5 cryptocurrencies being tracked. And that's for the Lovable live dashboard for the monitoring. So now let me show you how this whole thing works. So I will trigger the webhook. So let me trigger the webhook here. Okay, so run once, you click here, run once, and then wait for new data. So now let me trigger it. Let me trigger the webhook. Okay, accepted. Let's see. So our webhook is checked here, HTTP is checked, the iterator is checked, no mail is sent, no Google Sheets, because none of the coin prices are monitoring. I'll pass the filter, so you can see 0 here. Okay, for testing purposes, let me reduce the 5%, let's say to 1, and also minus 1. Let's see if we will be able to get an alert. Okay, Let me trigger the webhook again. Let's see. Okay. Okay, there was no trigger. I believe today is weekend, so let me see. Let's see if we can get data. Okay, let me trigger the webhook again. Okay, let's see. Okay, I got 3 now. Okay, so the webhook is checked, HTTP checked, iterator checked. The filter, we can see 3 here. So email has been sent, Google Sheets has been updated, and then Telegram bot 2 has generated an alert. So let's check. First, let's go to the email and see alert. Let me refresh. Okay, so as you can see here, crypto alert. Let's go inside. So we got 3 based on the filter. We got 3 coins. So the first one is Bitcoin. As you can see here, this is the current price. The percentage change within 24 hours is 0.5. This is the market cap, and then the timestamp is this. The second coin is Ethereum. That's the current price now is 2063, and then the percentage change is 0.46%. The market cap and the timestamp. The third coin is Solana. The current price is 80.81, and then percentage change within 24 hours is 0.6. We have the market cap, and then the timestamp is also here. Okay, so we know email alert was generated. Okay, so now let's look at the bot, the Telegram alert. Let's see. So this is today. We got the alert to crypto alert of Bitcoin. The current price percentage change is 1. That's bullish, means it's rising. There's the market cap. Okay, we also got for Ethereum, which is also bullish, and we also got for Solana. Okay. So our automation is working. Now let's check the Google Sheet. Then we'll go to the dashboard again. Okay, so you can also see from here the data has been inserted. This is for Bitcoin, and this is the time 8:45 4th April 2026. That's for the Bitcoin. The price, the percentage change, the market cap, and then the signal. So meaning Bitcoin is rising, Ethereum is rising, Solana too is rising. Okay, great. So now let's go to the dashboard. That's the lovable. Let me refresh. Okay. So earlier we were having 5 coins being tracked. Now it's 8. It's fetching live from our Google Sheet. So this is the last one that was updated, which is today 8:45 p.m. Bitcoin price as at now is 67271 here. Okay. So now let me explain the logic again, the filtering logic again. So the key part of this system is the filtering logic. So instead of sending alert for every small fluctuation, the system only triggers when the price movement is quite significant. So this reduces noise and ensure alerts are always meaningful. But because of testing, I reduce it to 0.1 and 0.5 so that we can get some alert. About 5% is quite significant, so let me change it back. Okay. So this architecture can be applied beyond just this crypto monitoring. This can also be used for cybersecurity alerting, system monitoring, financial tracking, and even DevOps notifications. So this system is essentially a real-time event-driven monitoring system with a visualization layer uh, using Lovable. So that's it for this project. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my journey as I continue building real-world system in automation, cybersecurity, and also cloud engineering. See you in the next video. Bye.